Hello, this is your Hamshack preacher, AC2VE. I'm going to use my ham radio equipment to illustrate a Bible truth. I have the radio here, HF radio, puts out 100 watts, of course 50 ohm output impedance. I have an end-fed antenna, you can see the coax here, about 140 feet long. It doesn't have a 50 ohm impedance at any frequency that I use. If I tried to transmit into it, the radio would like it, it'd shut it down. A lot of nasty things would happen if I forced it. So the radio shuts itself down, protects itself. We don't do that. We have now a little box called a tuner. Well, in my day, we also had a tuner. It was part of the television set. And it was clunk, 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 8, 10, 13, 2, 4, 7. And even if you wanted to change channels, you had to get out of your chair and turn the knob. But that's what a tuner was when I was growing up. But now I have this box here called a tuner. If I take this button here and push the button here, okay, it matches up my antenna to the radio. So now when I transmit here, it goes into the tuner. The tuner is now 50 ohms, and the output of the box matches the impedance whatever the antenna is. Now the box doesn't fix the antenna, it's still whatever it was, but now the radio sees a 50 ohm load and it transmits out, no problem. Here's the illustration. The radio represents God, the tuner represents Jesus, and the antenna represents us. The Bible tells me that there's one mediator between God and man, and that's Jesus. So now, God sees Jesus. When God looks at us, who does he see? Again, he sees Jesus. He doesn't see our mismatch. So here's the question. It always comes down to this, the bottom line. What are we going to do with Jesus? Are we going to make him Lord and Savior and our mediator? Or are we going to kick him to the curb? This is your Hamshack preacher saying 73 OM.